I'm meteorologist Shay Ryan with an update on the local forecast. We have another day where we've got a beautiful start with a mix of sun and clouds. It's going to be hot and humid with highs in the upper 80s to about 90 degrees. Now we will have a round of showers and storms later this afternoon, starting in the interior and then moving to our coastline. So again, we've got a lot of dry hours early in the day with a high of 88 today in Tampa. Tomorrow we'll see a slightly higher coverage of showers and storms through the afternoon, and they'll start a little earlier in the day as well. We're going to even have a slight chance for a shower along the coast in the morning, but again, this is not going to be a washout, just a change in the weather pattern from an east to west flow to a west to east flow. And then as we continue on through the middle of the week, we are going to have relatively low coverage of rain each day, and then for the weekend ahead we may end up having some quite significant rain across the area.